Hi guys, welcome to Wing Ting's kitchen. Today we're going to make laksa, which is a popular noodle dish originating from Southeast Asia. Homemade laksa does take some work, and you'll need to get some specific ingredients from your Asian supermarket because I don't think you can recreate the same flavours without it. I'm also using prawn shells that I saved while making other prawn videos, like my sweet and sour prawns and prawn toast. You can find the links in the description box down below. The cooking will be split into 3 parts. We've got the soup base, the paste, and then the toppings. So then, let's get started. For the soup base, you'll need prawn shells from 6 to 8 prawns, 750 millilitres of water, 15 grams of dried shrimp, 5 grams of dried chilies, 3 sticks of dried lemongrass, 10 grams of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, 50 grams of shallots, half a fresh chilli, 20 grams of shrimp paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of peanut butter, juice from half a lime and some for garnishing, 250 millilitres of coconut milk, and fish sauce to taste. For the rest of the laksa, you'll need prawns, fish cakes, tofu puffs, bean sprouts, and rice noodles. There's no set amount, it's up to your own preference and how hungry you are. Start off making the soup base. Fry off the prawn shells by adding oil to a pan on high heat. Add in the shells and stir fry them. If you need more oil to help them brown, add some more. Poke the prawn heads a bit to maximise the flavours. Once the bottom of the pan has started browning, add in the water. Leave to simmer for 30 minutes. In the meantime, prepare the ingredients for the paste. Cut everything into smaller pieces so it doesn't get stuck in the blades of the blender. I use scissors to cut the dried lemongrass. Peel the ginger and cut them into smaller pieces. The same with the garlic and the shallots. Cut the shrimp paste into small cubes. We will blend the dried shrimp and the dried chilies first. I'm using a really tall jar to prevent the bits from flying around everywhere. Blend until you get something like this. Pour it out and we'll blend the rest of the ingredients. The shrimp paste, the shallots, garlic, ginger, lemongrass, fresh chilli and the turmeric powder. Blend it all up into a paste. It can take some time depending on what type of blender you're using. Then add in the blended dry shrimp and chilies. Blend them all together. Before leaving it to one side, remember to scoop out any paste that's stuck near the blades. Back to the soup. When it's been about 30 minutes, strain out the shells from the soup and keep to one side. Now fry off the paste. On high heat, add oil to a pan and fry it for about 5 minutes. Add the soup base. Add in the sugar and the peanut butter. Stir well so they dissolve and melt. Then add the coconut milk. Stir and leave to simmer for 10 minutes. While that simmers, let's prepare the noodles. Place the noodles into a large bowl and add hot water. Let them soak for about 8 minutes. After simmering for 10 minutes, taste the soup and add any fish sauce if you need to and lime juice. The shrimp paste is quite fishy and salty, so if you have enough flavours from that, you don't need to add any fish sauce. Go back and drain the noodles. We'll be adding this to hot soup, so it's better to not have it too soft. We will also need to drain the soup. Pour the soup through a sieve, either into a bowl or a pan. Using the spatula, push out any remaining soup in the paste. Put the soup back into the pan if it isn't already in one. Cut the tofu puffs in half and add them to the soup. Add sliced fish cakes and bring to a boil. Lower the heat and add in the bean sprouts and the prawns. Let it cook for about 1 minute, then add the noodles. We're ready to assemble the laksa now, and then we'll be ready to serve. Here's my delicious laksa. The soup is creamy and rich, and there's so much flavour. It's shrimpy, but it's not overpowering, and then there's a kick of chilies. The noodles are covered with soup, and then you get different textures from the bean sprouts, the fish cakes and the tofu puff. And of course the prawns. If you love laksa like me and you don't have a laksa restaurant or takeaway nearby, then why not make this at home? It'll be the best homemade laksa. I hope you liked my video. If there's anything you'd like to see me make, please let me know and leave me a comment in the comment box down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye! If you love laksa meat, don't forget to subscribe to my channel